Did you know that you can set up the time alert by using the screen behind the steering wheel? So yeah, if you are using the Nissan like I have right now, the Nissan Qashqai, you can do it here by using the settings. So let's highlight the settings. Then here you need to choose the driver assistance, scroll down, and under driver assistance you should find such things as timer alert. So if you would like to set the timer, for example, for 1 hour, let's tap OK and set. So now your car will alarm you if the 1 hour passes, so you will be informed that you are driving for 1 hour. It's quite useful, especially when you are driving with someone and you would like to switch, or if you would like to remember to take a break just for your safety. If you would like to reset the alert, you need to scroll down, highlight the reset and press OK button to reset it. Confirm the operation by scrolling down and by pressing OK. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.